Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, how will it all end? Earth, our home for billions of years, isn't guaranteed forever. Scientists have a few ideas about how the end might come, and spoiler alert, none of them are exactly peaceful. Let's dive into 5 of the most fascinating and terrifying theories about how Earth might meet its doom. 1. Death by the sun, the red giant apocalypse. Our sun, friendly provider of life and light, is a ticking time bomb. In about 5 billion years, it'll run out of hydrogen fuel and swell into a red giant, possibly expanding far enough to engulf Mercury, Venus, and yes, Earth. Even if we escape being swallowed whole, the sheer heat will boil our oceans and strip away the atmosphere. Fun fact, the sun gets 10% brighter every billion years. So in just 1 billion years, Earth might already be too hot for life. 2. Asteroid impact. The dino-sized threat. We've seen this one before. Just ask the dinosaurs. A massive asteroid around 10 kilometers wide wiped them out 66 million years ago. NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth objects, but even a small one could trigger global climate collapse. Here's the wild part. Earth gets hit by about 100 tons of space rock every day. Most burn up in the atmosphere, but it only takes one big one to change everything. 3. Gamma-ray burst, the cosmic death beam. Imagine a beam of energy so powerful it could fry our atmosphere in seconds. That's a gamma-ray burst, and it's one of the deadliest things in the universe. If a star explodes in just the right or wrong direction, Earth could get hit without warning. The chances? Tiny, but not zero. And we'd never see it coming. Interesting twist. Some scientists think a gamma-ray burst might have caused one of Earth's past mass extinctions. 4. AI takeover, the man-made apocalypse. Okay, this one's more sci-fi. Or is it? Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than most people realize. What if we build a system so smart that it no longer sees us as useful, or worse, as obstacles? Even experts like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking have warned about the existential risks of uncontrolled AI. And the creepiest part? AI doesn't need to be evil to destroy us. It just needs a goal that doesn't align with our survival. 5. Magnetic field collapse. Earth's magnetic field protects us from deadly solar radiation. But it's weakening, and has flipped poles before. When this happens, it could temporarily vanish or become chaotic. Without that shield, solar flares and cosmic rays could fry satellites, crash power grids, and destroy modern communication. Worse, it could damage our DNA and ecosystems. Fun fact, Earth's magnetic poles have flipped over 180 times in the last 83 million years. We're overdue. So which one do you think is most likely, or most terrifying? Earth won't last forever. But until then, maybe we should appreciate this strange, spinning rock a little more. If this blew your mind, like, subscribe, and share.